Hi everybody, I hope that you had a great weekend and you stay safe, and hopefully you guys are starting to get your vaccines or whatever. Has anybody got the vaccines, and if so, which one? Please comment down below if you've received any of the vaccines and what your thoughts are. I actually spoke to one of my friends the other day, and he said that he had both the Moderna ones and everything's doing well, everything's going good, so that's awesome. Anyhow, like I said, welcome to Tech Tuesday, but it's actually a Monday today, so we'll just call it Tech Day. So today we're going to be doing an open box, and we're going to be reviewing a few things. I just wanted to remind everybody that we have a new sponsor, and you've got a chance of winning $600. All you need to do is subscribe, like, and comment on the video, and you're entered to win. Once we hit 6,000 subscribers, a random comment will be selected, and you will win $600. And you could win $600. And if you watch to the end of the video, I'll tell you how to get multiple entries for free. Okay, first of all, I'm going to do a review on these little guys, and most people will know what they are. This is a Firestick, and for people that don't know, this one's a little bit bigger. This is the Firestick 64K, and basically, to be honest with you, I would not buy the standard Firestick anymore, not unless you're getting it, you know, like off one of your friends for free, or like $10 or dirt cheap or whatever, because this is 1K. Basically every TV that you buy, whether you buy it at Costco, Walmart, wherever, Asda, whatever, most TVs now that you buy are all 4K, so I wouldn't recommend buying the 1K from Amazon. I'd definitely pay a little bit more or wait till they're on sale and get the 4K one. There is the 4K cube as well. I've not personally used that, so I'll probably end up getting one and trying it. Another thing to watch for with the remotes is there's actually two remotes. There's this remote, the little guy, and then this little guy. And out of the two remotes, you want this remote and not this remote, because if you notice, this one's got a lot more buttons. Basically, the buttons are, this is the power button to switch on and off your TV or your receiver or whatever. This is the volume control to control the volume up and down, and it's got a mute button down at the bottom. So I'd highly recommend getting the 4K one opposed to the 1K one. And I know the 4K one looks a lot bigger, but that's because it's got a dongle on. If you take the dongle off it, you can it is still bigger, but it's only, you know, just a little bit bigger. So, but yeah, I definitely recommend the 4K one. More and more content is coming out on Netflix in 4K, and not they're pushing more over to 4K than the 1K, and the 1K stuff, they've still got a lot of it, but there's a lot more 4K. So that basically, Firestick, they're pretty awesome. You know, you can do Netflix, YouTube, you know, Prime, Disney Plus. You can do all Discovery Plus, whatever. You can do all that kind of stuff on the Firesticks, and you know, you've got the little voice control and all the rest of it. So yeah, they're pretty cool. But again, I get the 4K, not the 1K. Now, as far as the open box, sorry. We've got one box over here. This little guy. Anyhow, long story short, we'll use a small knife to unbox it. So here's the small knife. Oh, just out of interest, I don't know if you can see my head here. I had an argument with an ice ring and butted the ice ring, and there's blood everywhere, so that's pretty crazy. And just recently, if you can see my finger, I don't know if you can see the big lump on my finger, I was getting something out of the microwave. And if ever you're taking anything out of a microwave, always make sure you touch it before you grab hold of it, because I didn't think about it, and I grabbed hold of it, and it was tss, like this. It was a cup, and I ended up with that, I don't know, is it that bad boy on my finger. So yeah, it's a valuable lesson, but don't grab anything out of the microwave before first touching it. I'll open this, put the little knife away, and here we are. And basically this is 5G. So It's a 5G high-speed internet gateway, and it's from T-Mobile, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. The cool thing about what's happening now with the ISPs or internet service providers, there's a lot more coming out. You've got T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T. You've got who else have you got? You've got SpaceX bringing out Starlink, which is awesome. You've also got I recently found out that Amazon's bringing one out. I don't know if anybody knows about that. It's Project Cupier, I believe it's called. And the good thing about competition is it's going to drive down prices. Because, for example, this little guy here is $50 a month, and you don't have to pay for the equipment, which is cool. There's no you don't have to like pay $10 a month for the equipment, and it's unlimited. It's unlimited data, so there's no caps or data caps or anything. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, it's pretty fantastic. So we'll open it and have a quick look. You might mind I cut my fingers. I'm not too sure what this is. Let's see. Home internet, high-speed internet gateway. Now, if you watched my other video on the Cox Gigablast, we used Gigablast for a while, and Gigablast is pretty cool. The only thing I don't really care for on the Cox Gigablast is they have data caps. Me myself personally, it should be unlimited. Like this is unlimited. It's unlimited data. You can use as much as you want. They don't throttle it. They don't, start dropping you down to like 2G or anything like that during the day. Or, they don't do any of that. It's pure unlimited. So yeah, well, here's your little guy. So anyhow, what else is in the box? This is what it looks like. So it's pretty cool. It's silver with a T up front for T-Mobile. Yeah, you've got a couple of RJ45s on the back if you want to connect directly to a PC. This is actually a wireless access point as well, so basically it'll pick up the 5G, the 4G, beam it around your house, and then you'll be able to connect any internet device to it. I've checked the speeds on this. Obviously it's not as fast as Gigablast, but if you go to what else is in the box? If you go to Cox, they're you got a power cable. It looks like a Mac one actually, and then you've got the RJ45. Well, Cat6 cable. But long story short, you basically plug this in anywhere you want in your house, you activate it, and then you've got 5G or 4G throughout the house. The only problem with this, to be honest with you, I'm probably going to be sending it back, is it's limited to 10 devices. So you've got 10 devices. I think there's 10 devices on the 2.4 gig and then 10 devices on the 5.8 gig. Or even, you want everything really on the same, because your printer is going to be on the same network as your laptop or whatever. So 10 devices on this is, to be honest with you, it's a great device. I think it's awesome. I've done some speed testing and everything, but 10 devices just isn't enough. You know what I'm saying? You think of how many laptops you've got, iPhones, cameras, thermostats, whatever. 10 isn't enough. So I think when they bring up version 2 of this, and it's got 100 devices or unlimited devices, I think they'll have a winner, because at $50 for unlimited, I think that'll be fantastic. So long story short, I'm not going to be keeping this. I'm going to be keeping Cox for the time being until they change this, that they bring up version 2 and they make it better. So anyhow, hopefully that you've enjoyed this video. Just out of interest, to get multiple entries from the free drawing and from the sponsor, all you need to do is subscribe and then go and comment on multiple videos. It's that easy. Well, that's it for today. Have an awesome day and take care. Thank you.